Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to create two cheap DIYs. The first one is this stylish fur lamp. The second one is this photo holder for the wall. This is the third video in the series of DIYs that I will be doing. All the DIY projects will lead to a colossal dorm room decorating video. I can't wait for it all to come together and to show you. Let's get started. The first one we will look at is the lamp. To create this look you will need a hot glue gun, a fur boa, I got this from Michael's, and a lamp with a plain shade that you want to redo. I bought a white shade from Goodwill to match my boa, and I already had the lamp base. Now the steps for this DIY are super easy. Starting at the top of the lampshade, simply take your glue gun and attach the boa. Go slow and attach short lengths of the boa at a time. Make sure you attach each row of the boa at the same distance and that you can't see the shade itself in between the rows. It also makes the lamp look better when it's turned off if the rows are closer together. Let's see what the final product looks like. So cute. Yes! Let's work on the second project. For this you will need an old wooden baby gate, spray paint, a chain, and a piece of cardboard. Here's what the baby gate looked like before I started the project. What we did is take the two sides apart and remove the handle. The gate also had these plastic clasps on the corners, which you will want to cut off. Set up one side of the gate on a painting station. Put the piece of cardboard in the center so that the wires do not get painted, and spray paint away the wood border. Now I got my chain from Lowe's, but you can choose whatever design and place to get yours from. You could even use rope. To attach a chain, you'll need to cut one of the pieces with pliers. Then slip the cut piece around the wire of the baby gate and push the cut pieces back together so they don't fall off. And you're done. Let's see what the final product looks like. So nice. You can hang your pictures from it using clothespins. Love it! As I mentioned before, this video is part of a series of cheap DIYs that I will be posting. All the DIYs will lead to a colossal dorm room decorating / tour video that will be posted next. Please subscribe to keep up with my content and check out the description box for more info on my social media. I also have a music channel where I post original songs. All of the info is in the description. I'm Olivia Farley. I'm a writer, producer, volunteer, entrepreneur, and adventurer. This is my sign off. Bye now.